Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how to create tables in SQL. To create tables in SQL, we need three different and important steps to be followed. The steps to be followed are: first you have to define the name of the table. You have to provide the table name. This is the first step, and then the second will be followed by defining the columns. How many number of columns you have to add in the particular table. So table will be the combination of rows and columns. So how many columns you need for the table, you have to define it. And the third, the important step, that's the reason we have marked with the star mark, which is nothing but the defining the data type of the column. So each and every column you have to define the data type, either it's an integer, text, or a string, or the other any other data type you are going to enter into the data table. Okay, now we have seen what are the steps to be followed for the creating table, but now the important thing is, like, we need to have a syntax for creating the table in SQL. What is that syntax? So syntax for creating table in SQL is very simple. Just you need to give create table command, and then you have to give the first step, as you have mentioned, is table name, defining the columns, and the third foremost step is mentioning the data type of the table. It's very simple, guys. Just follow this complete video without skipping, so that you will be getting hands-on idea how to create a table in SQL Server. Let's start with our practical session. Open our SSMS Studio, which is Microsoft Server SQL Server Management Studio. Click on New Query, and once you click on New Query, you can see there is some type of authentication is available. So as of now, I am giving the normal Windows authentication. Click on Connect, and now we are going to create our very first SQL Server query to create a table. So first query which we are going to create is create table. What is the table we are going to create is Indian players. So I'm going to create a table for Indian players. Press shift enter and open the bracket and give us again an enter. So why I have given this particular underscore is because if you are giving two splitted words or letters, SQL will take it as a comment, and then it will throw an error if it is not a existing comment or some function. So it is very important, guys. You have to give the underscore between two different words or the sentences. Now I am going to create defining the columns. The very second step is define the columns. So the number one is jersey number, so I'm just going it as jersey underscore number space. So now I have to define the data type of the column. So it is integer. Give comma, again go to the next one, name of the player, name of player space. It is variable character varchar. You can give it with a limit. So the important thing in varchar is you can give the limitation of words or letters which is used for that particular name of the player. I'm going to give it as 20, close the bracket, comma, hit enter, and I'm going to use the style. So either he is a bowler or batsman, varchar. So I'm going to give it for 10, comma, next line, position. So which position he is going to play in the team. So obviously it will be in the integer. Come down, close the bracket, give semicolon to end that particular command. So now we have followed three steps, which is we have given the table name, define the column. Third step is define the type of the particular column, data type of the particular column. Let's execute this query, and you can see comments completed properly, and this will be the time taken for the execution of the query. Hope you have understood this video. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from our end. Thank you. Bye bye.